జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. సుందరకాండ. I suddenly brought my shape down to a very small form, like a thumb. To that extent I became so small, and suddenly I went into her mouth and came back. Then Surasa Devi took her original form and told me like this: O Kapishrestha Hanuma, Sukhi Bhava Mahabaho, Pritasmi Tava Vanara. Oh Hanuma, I really appreciate the smartness that you have. I am amazed to see your smartness, and I also am very happy. Now you may go, and may you be safe, may you be happy. Like that, when Surasa Devi said, now I started again from there. The moment I started and went to some more distance, I felt like somebody is dragging me back by holding my shadow. I started looking around, but I could not see anyone. My speed gone down. I was unable to go further anymore. Then I started looking all around, and finally I saw downwards. Then I noticed there is a huge Rakshasi in the water, and she is the one who is dragging me back by holding my shadow. Then that Rakshasi started laughing at me and saying like this: Oh, the one who has huge body, I am very happy to see you here now. All my hunger will be satisfied, quenched by you now. I haven't had any good food for last so many days. I am very hungry. Now you are going to be my food. When that Rakshasi said, I started again increasing my body. She increased her body. Again what I did, I became so small and went into her mouth and peeled out her heart and came out before she closes her mouth. Then she died and drowned in the water. At that time, there are some Siddhas Charanas standing in the sky. They started saying that Rakshasi Simhika Bhima Kshipram Hanumata Hata. Hanuma killed the demon Simhika. When they said like that, I heard and I came to know that Rakshasi is Simhika. After that again I started traveling from there. Like that, Hanuma giving all the details to Vanaras. Hanuma giving all details about his trip to Lanka Nagaram. Hanuma giving those details to Vanaras, saying that, Oh Vanaras, after I killed Simhika, I felt so relaxed and I started remembering again and again how did I kill Simhika. And finally I reached the southern banks of ocean. There Lanka Nagaram is there. And by then it is already sunset. I was just about to enter Lanka Nagaram. There comes a huge dreadful Rakshasi. And she started screaming at me. Then I hit her with my left hand and I conquered her. I defeated her. Then Pradoshakale Pravisam, I entered into Lanka Nagaram in that Pradoshakalam. Then that Rakshasi told me like this: Oh, the great soldier, Aham Lankapuri, I am Lankadhidevata, Nirjita Vikramenate. You have defeated me with your strong valor. Yasmat tasmat dvijetasi sarvarakshamsi aseshataha. Because you conquered me, now I realize that you will be able to conquer all the demons. You will be able to defeat all of them. Like that, that Rakshasi told me. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.